Okay, good morning, second PC students. Yesterday, yesterday, yesterday the video was muted, sometimes 1 to 10 minutes. Only explanation part was muted. The exercise part, problematic part is normal. So, what is the first 10 minutes video? What is the determinant starting? Determinant, first of all, determinant. Determinants. What is the definition of determinants? Determinant is a numbers. Determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. Simply, determinant definition: determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. Square matrix ki associated. Determinants అనేది value or number. Okay, associated with a only square matrix. The definition. Next one, the determinant. See the symbol. For example, A is equal to matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the matrix bracket. This is the matrix bracket. So that A, determinant of A denoted by, this is determinant of A, ORR, det A, determinant of A, ORR, det A, ORR, capital delta symbol, denoted anyone. This is not a module symbol. Determinant, in the determinant chapter, this symbol is called determinant of A, determinant, not modulus. So every square matrix has a determinant only square matrix ki determinant. Rectangle matrix, what is the square matrix? Number of rows equal to the number of columns. That matrix is called a square matrix. That square matrix has a determinant. Otherwise, there is no determinant. Determinant does not exist. Only square matrix exist. Okay, that is the first part. Next, determinant of 1 by 1 matrix. Determinant of 1 by 1 matrix. Determinant of matrix of order 1 or 1 by 1. 1 or 1 by 1. Both are same. Determinant of a matrix. Okay, next. 1 by 1 matrix. For example, A is equal to matrix A, the single. 1 by 1 matrix means what? Rows, 1 row and 1 column. So 1 row, 1 column. So determinant of A is equal to what? That element. Determinant of A is equal to that element. Next, determinant of a matrix of order 2. Determinant of a matrix. Determinant of a matrix of order 2. 2 or 2 by 2. For example, A is equal to matrix A11, A12, A21, A22. Determinant of A is equal to, so determinant symbol A11, A12, A21, A22. So that is equal to, this is cross multiplication. Cross multiplication A11 first into last, A22 minus A12 into A21, A12 into A21. So this is the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. next some formulas. Determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Next determinant of 3 by 2 matrix. Let us explain now. Now explain them. Okay. So next formula. A is a square matrix. A is a square matrix of order. A is a square matrix of order n. Then determinant of k into A is equal to k power n into det A. Very, very important points. Here k is a constant and n is order of the matrix. Where n is a order of the matrix. This one. So next another one. Determinant of A into A transpose is equal to determinant of A into determinant of A transpose. Next, determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. Next, fourth one, determinant of A into B is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B. And one or two examples. So this is the yesterday explanation. Okay. So in first exercise, first problem, second problem, two problems are find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. Next, third problem. Next one, determinant of a matrix. Determinant of a matrix. Determinant of a matrix of order 3 by 3. 3 by 3 matrix definition. 3 by 3 matrix determinant procedure. Okay. This is very, very important one in vectors. It comes vectors also. Okay. So for example, A is equal to 3 by 3 matrix means 3 rows, 3 columns. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is the 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix determinant. How to find out determinant of 3 by 3 matrix? So the determinant first along the first row, this is row 1, row 2, row 3, C1, C2, C3, column 1, column 2, column 3. So the 3 by 3 matrix determinants have 6 ways, 6 type of determinants, 6 ways. First one, row, only using row 1 or row 2 or row 3. Next, column 1, column 2, column 3. Any one we can choose. Okay. Find the determinant of matrix A along the first row or along the second row or along the third row, first column, second column, third column. You have any your interest, you can choose any type of method. So I will explain row along the first row, determinant of 3 by 3 matrix along first row determinant. Okay. Det A is equal to, this is not modulus of A, det A, determinant of A. So first this is take plus 1, plus, next alternate plus, minus, plus, plus, minus, plus. How to come plus minus? This is minus 1 whole power I plus j. Minus 1 whole power I plus j. Minus 1 whole power I plus j. Here I is row, j is column. Ith row, jth column. The element, first element place, position is first row, first column. First row, first column means 1 plus 1. No. minus 1 whole square is equal to 1 and plus, so plus value. Next, this is B. B position, minus 1 whole power I plus j. Minus 1 whole power, what is the position of element B? The first row, second column. First row, second column. So, minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1. No. So, minus 1 whole power even numbers is equal to plus 1. Minus 1 whole power odd numbers is equal to minus 1. So, that's why plus minus plus. Okay, how to come? This way. So, determinant first plus A. Okay, plus into A, plus A, plus into plus A, plus A. So, into, remove the corresponding column and corresponding row. Corresponding column and corresponding row. Remove the first A element, first row, first element, A element. So, plus A, plus A. So, remove the corresponding column and the corresponding row. So, the remaining 2 by 2 matrix determinant E, F, H, I. E, I, E, F, H, I. Next, minus into plus B. So, minus into plus, minus into E, B, corresponding column, corresponding row, corresponding column, corresponding row. Remaining D, F, G, I. D, F, G, I. Next, plus into C, plus C. So, E, C corresponding column, corresponding row, corresponding column, corresponding remove. Remaining D, E, G, H. D, E, G, H. This is the procedure. So, A into, what is the derivative of, how to find out derivative of 2 by 2 determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? This is cross multiplication into E into I, E, I minus F, H, minus B into same D, I minus F, G. Next, plus C into DH minus EG. DH minus EG. So, that is equal to A, E, I minus A, F, H minus B, D, I minus into minus plus B, F, G plus C, D, H minus C, E, G. This is the procedure along row 1. So, along row 2 also same answer, along row 3, along C1, C2, C3, or you have to any way, you have to take along first row, second row, third row to any procedure, but answer must be equal. Answer must be equal. This is the procedure of determinant of matrix of order 3 by 3. 3 by 3 matrix determinant. This is the procedure. Okay. This is the 1 by 1 matrix determinant. This is 2 by 2 matrix determinant. This is the 3 by 3 matrix determinant. Okay. Next. Okay, clear? The yesterday video explanation and the extra determinant of matrix of order 3 by 3. Okay, next. Fifth problem in exercise 4.1. Fifth problem. Evaluate the determinants. Evaluate the determinants. First one. Determinant of 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0 3 minus 1 minus 2 0 0 minus 1 3 minus 5 0. Evaluate determinants. Evaluate determinants. Evaluate determinants means, so this is the symbol of determinant. Determinant symbol. Okay. Find out determinants. How to find out determinants? First, plus. Listen carefully. Plus. This is minus plus. First row along the first row symbol. So first that is equal to plus into plus. So plus 3 into determinant of the corresponding column row. So 0 minus 1 minus 5 0. Okay. Next minus of minus 1. Already the minus, this is value is minus 1. Minus of minus 1. Minus of minus 1. Okay. Minus of minus 1 into, this is minus 1 corresponding column, this is the corresponding column, this corresponding row. The remaining 0 minus 1 3 0, the column the row, remaining 0 minus 1 3 0. Okay. Next plus. Okay, plus of plus into minus 2. This is plus into minus 2. Plus into minus 2 into determinant of the corresponding row and column. So remaining is 0 0 3 minus 5. So that is equal to 3 into 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into minus 5. AD minus BC. 0 into 0 0 minus 1 into minus 5. So minus into minus plus. So minus into minus plus 0 into 0 0 minus of minus 1 into 3. Minus 1 into 3. So plus into minus plus into minus 2. Minus 2 into 0 into minus 5 minus 0 into 3. AD minus BC. Okay. AD minus BC. So that is equal to 3 into 0 minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5. So minus 5 plus 0 minus into minus plus 3 into 1 3. So minus 2 into 0 into 5 0 minus 0. So that is equal to 3 into minus 5 plus 1 into 3 into plus 3 minus 2. So that is equal to minus 15. 3 into minus 5 minus 15 plus 3 minus 2. So minus 15 minus 2 minus 17. Minus 17 plus 3 minus 14. This is the determinant value. Minus 14. Determinant value is always any value, real number or complex number, any number, negative, positive, zero, fractions, complex, real or any number. This is the procedure of find out determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. This is the procedure. Okay, clear? Next problem. So in fifth problem have 4 problems. So first problem, first bit completed. Next the remaining 3 bits are homework, and the sixth one also same. Find the determinants of 3 by 3 matrix. Next one, fourth problem. If A is equal to 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4, then show that determinant of 3A is equal to 27 into det A. Determinant of 3A is equal to 27 into det A. We have to prove. Okay, first det A. This is det A first. Det A is equal to, how to find out det A? This is A matrix. First we have to find RHS. Det A, determinant of A, have to find out. So this is plus minus plus. First plus minus plus. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into determinant of the column, the row removed, corresponding column, corresponding row is removed. So remaining 1 2 0 4. Next minus 0 and 0. Minus 0 into the 0 corresponding column, corresponding row. This is called plus this one. 0 2 0 4. 0 2 0 4. Next plus 1 into E1 corresponding column, corresponding row removed. 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, this one. Okay, next. So det A is equal to 1 into, what is the value? 1 into 4 minus 2 into 0 0. Next minus 0 into something, 0 into or anything, 0, plus 1 into 0 into 0 minus 1, no, 0. 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 0. 1 into 0 minus 0, that is equal to 1 into 4 minus 0 plus 0. So that is equal to value 4. Determinant of A is equal to 4. So RHS, what is the RHS? RHS is equal to 27 into det A. 27 into det A is equal to 27 into 4, 108. Okay, next RHS. What is RHS? First 3 into A. So 3 into matrix A. Matrix first we have to find out 3A. 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 2 0 0 4. So this is a matrix, scalar multiple of matrix. So multiply each element by the 3. So that is equal to 3 into 1 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 into 1 3, 3 into 0 0, 3 6, 3 into 0 0 0 12. This is 3A matrix. So determinant of 3A is equal to determinant of 3 0 3 0 3 6 0 0 12 determinant. So that is equal to plus minus plus. Okay, plus minus plus. next plus into 3 plus 3 plus 3 determinant of corresponding column and row 3 6 0 12. Next minus 0 into corresponding column and row, this one middle and first 0 6 0 12 0 6 0 12 plus 3 plus 3 into the column, the row removed. Next remove 0, this one remaining 0 3 0 3 0 0. So that is equal to 3 into determinant of 2 by 2 matrix 3 into 12 36 minus 0. This is 0 into something 0 plus 3 into 0 into 0 minus 0. So 3 into 36 3 into 36 minus 0 plus 0, that is equal to 3 into 36 also 108. This is LHS. What is the RHS? RHS is equal to 27 debt value also is 108 and LHS mod 3a is also 108. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence what is LHS? Mod 3a is equal to 27 into det A. 27 into det A. This is the problem. Okay, next. Okay, so the first topic area of determinant of 1 by 1 matrix, determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. So the remaining problems in exercise 4.1 you have to do homework. So tomorrow go to the next topic. So continue tomorrow.